Pangalan pa lang na Bi-Speed 5 Pro na running shoes ng 361 degrees, alam nyo na agad na dinesign talaga siya for speed intervals, racing, at a competition level. Itong Bi-Speed 5 Pro ang resulta kapag kinumbay natin yung bouncy, high energy return, and very responsive na CQT Flame midsole, plus a special shape fiberglass plate that's tough and flexible, and combining them with a braided, light, and very supportive upper material. And yung ilalim niya is made of fabric-based cloth RPU outsole. Pwedeng gamitin sa oval track and sa road. It's grippy and flexible. And yung midsole niya is dual layer na CQT Flame midsole. Okay? And then yung kapal niya dito is 24 mm and then yung sa harap is 18 mm. And in between those two CQT Flame midsoles, yun yung fiberglass plate. Yung buong ilalim niya may fiberglass plate yan. Actually, nung unang suot ko pa lang sa kanya, na-feel ko agad na soft and bouncy siya. Pero ang nagustuhan ko sa kanya, kahit hindi siya ganun kakapal and kahit malambot siya, hindi siya nagbo-bottom out, okay? Hindi siya nasasagad sa sahig yung midsole. Kahit anong bilis kong takbo. Kaya ang nagustuhan ko talaga sa kanya is very stable siya. Kasi unang-una, low to the ground, hindi siya ganun kakapal. At the same time, pinalapad nila tong ilalim. Kaya kahit anong bilis natin sa mga corners, very stable tayo. And one more thing, isa sa mga nagko-contribute sa pagiging stable niya is yung fiberglass plate. Okay? So, malapad siya dito and it gives stability dun sa very soft and bouncy na midsole. And with a 6 mm drop, I feel really balanced dun sa heel and sa midfoot. So, pwede akong tumakbo ng heel landing and pwede rin ako mag-midfoot strike. Yung pagkasuot ko pa lang sa kanya, feel ko agad na talagang pang-competition level siya. Talagang design siya for fast speed. Kasi yung feeling nung uppers niya, talagang maganda yung hold sa paa ko. Secured, okay? Snug fit siya, and at the same time, maganda sa kanya, wide yung dito. So, snug siya and wide at the same time. So, very comfortable even at high speed. And 361 degrees really designed this to be very light. Dahil tignan nyo yung material na sa uppers, okay? Talagang maganda. And yung collar, heel collar, yung foam niya, tamang-tama lang. Okay? Hindi nila masyadong pinakapal. And yung sa tang, para maging magaan talaga siya. That's why itong Bi-Speed 5 Pro is really designed to be really fast. It's designed for speed intervals, racing. Okay? Kaya magandang i-partner to dun sa speed model nila. Kaya yung speed model nila, yun yung pwede nyo gamitin for your daily training. And then for your speed intervals and racing, ito magandang gamitin yung Bi-Speed 5 Pro. And by the way, this is also officially certified sa China Urban Youth Athletics Elite Competition. Kaya makakasigurado kayong magandang performance talaga nito. So these shoes can really help you beat your personal best of 5K and 10K races nyo. Okay? Dahil ang gaan niya, very responsive and comfortable yung midsole niya, yung fiberglass plate niya, tamang-tama yung binibigay niyang propulsion, and very stable talaga siya. Kaya to be honest, this is your secret weapon. Okay? This Bi-Speed 5 Pro can really help you run faster. And also, this is their Year of the Horse color variant. This is really designed for this year's Chinese New Year. Okay? Since Year of the Horse ngayon, tignan nyo, yung dila niya may horse na design. Galing, di ba? And of course, meron ding ibang colors dyan available. So, paki-check yung yellow basket. Okay? Kung may mga questions kayo, paki-comment agad ako and I will answer them. Okay? Thank you.